my name is Messi and you are welcome to Zoke Kitchen, the heart of cooking that brings you extraordinary culinary skills right to where you are, anywhere you are. Here on Zoke Kitchen, we bring in chefs from all across Africa to teach you how to make your favorite local and intercontinental dishes. We would love for you to follow us on our social media handles on Facebook and on Instagram at Zoke Kitchen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zoke Kitchen. Like, comment, and share. Thank you. Hi, Chef Abigail.
Hello.
Hi, it's so nice to have you on the show today. So, you read cell biology in school?
Yes.
So how did you get here?
Oh, my mom inspired me.
Your mom inspired
Yes, she's
you?
a cook and she owns a restaurant.
Oh, wow, that's fantastic. So you saw her cooking growing up and you picked interest, like something you actually really love to do.
Actually, I really love food.
Okay.
And I love eating my own food.
Okay, now that's something to actually bank on. Okay, so what do we have on the menu today?
Edo Benin black soup.
Edo Benin black soup.
Yes.
Now this is the first time I'm hearing this. I don't know that there is such a food as that. Okay, so what are the ingredients?
Here we have scent leaf.
Okay.
We have the Uziza leaf.
Okay.
The stockfish.
Okay.
The dry Kpanla fish.
Kpanla. Okay.
Yes, that is the roasted one.
Okay.
Then we have the cow leg.
Okay.
Brocoto.
My
Yes.
goodness, this is a traffic jam soup.
Then we have here the beef.
All right.
That is the cow meat, cow skin, the roasted one, ponmo.
Yeah.
Then we have the Banga extract.
Like this is the real Banga, not the sachet or
No, the rib,
processed
I
one.
extracted it. Yes.
Oh, nice, fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, so why do we have Uziza and Saint Lee together?
And actually, that is why is the Edo black soup.
Okay, these are
When
the
we
core
blend-
ingredients for the food.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We are going to blend it together.
This
to
is
get
a
the taste.
discovery, guys. I have not seen anything like this before, and I'm actually very, very excited to actually devour this meal at the end of the show. Okay, so I guess it's time to let you do your thing. All right, let's dive right into it.
Thank you.
All right, Chef Abigail is doing her thing. I can see her trying to boil the meat. Okay. All right. How many minutes is it going to take for the meat to get ready?
I will leave it for 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes.
Yes, where I add my seasoning.
Okay, okay. So we can use any protein of our choice, goat meat,
Exactly.
whatever.
Yes.
All right, that's nice. If you're a real Benin girl or boy, please just identify with this. For me, it's a first. I've never seen it before, and I'm really excited to taste it. Don't forget to use our hashtag whenever you make this recipe, Food with Zoke Kitchen. Tag us at Zoke Kitchen on Instagram and on Facebook. Don't forget to follow. Please, 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 please turn on the notification bell on YouTube so that you can get more of our recipe as the time goes on. Watch our show, engage, and tell us what you think. I mean, suggestions are welcome. Okay, guys, we'll be going on break shortly, but don't touch that dial. Stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Welcome back. It's steaming here in the kitchen, and Chef Abigail is doing her thing. She's killing it because in here it's smoking hot and it's smelling really, really delicious already, and we haven't even gone far. Okay, so what do we have cooking here?
This is steaming.
Okay.
My meat and oporoko, my stockfish.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
with the Kpanla fish.
All right.
This is steaming.
Okay, that's nice.
While this is steaming, I'm going to grind my scent leaf and Uziza leaf together.
All right. So while we blending it together, can it be blended separately?
And I see it as a waste of time since we are mixing it together at the end. So
Okay.
let us just grind it together.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's your choice, guys. If you want to do it separately, that's fine. If you want to blend together, that's fine. Our chef says it's what makes her happy. So I'm shocked that there is a soup called Edo Benin black soup. Like all my years on earth, I've never heard of that before. Even my Benin friends, they haven't even told me that there is such a thing as Edo Benin black soup. You guys lied to me because today my eyes have opened. I know the truth, and I'm going to taste the truth as well. Thank you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zoke Kitchen. Follow our social media handles on Facebook and on Instagram at Zoke Kitchen. Once you try our recipe, do try our recipe. Use our hashtag filled with Zoke Kitchen. Tag us as well, and we'll make sure we repost your food. So you have to add it, or we can blend it separately again.
You can blend it, but me, I like adding them together.
Okay. Me, I'll follow my chef. Oh. What my chef is doing is what I will do. That is why I'm asking. So my chef says we should blend together, and blend together we shall. Yeah, guys. I'm really thrilled. Like, it's not every day you see someone cook something you've never seen or tasted before. So that's why I'm asking questions as a novice that I am, and I want to learn. That's how to learn. And we are teaching you how to learn on this show. So I'm asking the question for you. Okay.
Next, I'll be adding my cow leg and my ponmo.
The broccoli, right?
Yes, exactly.
Ooh, food. I love food, guys. I know. I love food. I love the idea of food. I love that we can eat food to feel alive, to be fine. Anything that food does, I love it. Yes, guys.
Then next, I'll be adding my Banga extract. That is my palm nut extract.
Okay. All right. I remember, guys, it was processed by her. We didn't get the sachet one, but can we use the sachet process?
Yes,
okay, fantastic. She said we can. But here on this show, we processed ours, and that's what we are using. It smells cocastic.
Then I'll be adding my salt.
Okay. How do you know the amount of salt to use?
Well, I'm an expert in that.
Okay.
I know exactly the quantity.
Okay, so that means if we are putting, we'll be tasting to see if it's enough for us.
Now I'll be adding more crayfish.
Okay. I remember those days, our moms use crayfish, plenty crayfish whenever they are cooking. We really don't have to use seasoning as we do these days again, but it's no longer in Nigeria. Crayfish is very, very expensive. But then our food will be nice all the same, less seasoning and all of that. Yep. Okay.
I'm going to transfer my blended Uziza and scent leaf.
Okay. I knew that this soup would be black. The magic that is about to happen, I'm here for it. I want to see how this soup will look like normal soup. Because what's all this leaf? Okay, let's see it unveil itself. Okay. So we are pouring the leaf now.
No.
Okay. Guys,
I'll let this cook for another 15 minutes.
Okay. All right. Oh, guys, I am so thrilled about this soup. I know that this thing will turn black. What? See, between I and the chef today. Chef, is this going to look black? Is this soup going to look black?
That is why it's called black soup.
Ah, I knew it. I'm already getting the hang of this soup. I knew it was going to look black because all this leaf is definitely going to make you look black. So, Chef Abigail, this Edo Bini black soup, is there anything it does to the body like health benefits?
Yes. Our scent leaf and Uziza leaf, they are very, very medicinal. Highly medicinal.
Okay.
It is used to treat hypertension.
Wow.
To prevent hypertension, and it boosts the immune system.
Okay.
And it is used to relieve stomach ache.
Wow.
Yes.
Guys, you've heard it. And Edo people, they didn't tell us. This is what they've been enjoying by themselves. One soup, hypertension to prevent it. One soup, stomach ache. Just one soup. I mean, guys, this is fantastic. We are going on a short break. Don't go nowhere. Here on the show, we have our co-host Amanda, Remember she told us about her experience with a food vendor? Well, so then we want to sanctify her and take out that bad experience with our Edo Guineese soup. Chef Abigail, I can see our food is ready. The soup is ready and guys, it's black. I said it. I knew this soup was going to be black just like the name. And she's bringing it for us to taste. Now this is my favorite part of anything called food, tasting. Amanda, what about you?
I can't wait to taste.
I'm like, whoa!
This is nice already.
It's nice, guys. Whoa. So Abigail, nice one.
Yummy.
This looks nice. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, Amanda. I'm gonna do what I know how to do best. Have yours.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, I need to taste this for you so that you know if you will try out this recipe or not.
I can't wait.
Okay. Now this is the best part of anything called cooking, the eating part. Ooh. Come in.
Wow.
Okay.
It looks like soup.
You guys are enjoying it.
Yeah. Nice.
Now this is what I'm talking about. This is what I know people they've been enjoying without us. You are wicked. Nothing you can tell me. This soup is fantastic.
Do you know what?
It's tasty. It is spicy.
I want to do this again. Like,
I am trying this at home. I'm definitely
wait.
trying this recipe.
Wait.
My sister, I can relate. But then, our body needs to be in shape. You know? But guys, this is fantastic. This is amazing.
So
Well
nice.
done, Chef
Like,
Abigail.
Chef
How much does
Abigail.
it take to make a pot of this soup?
A pot for 3
Okay.
from 4K to 5K.
It's so affordable. So can one order this from you?
Yes, at Chow Republic on Instagram.
Oh, okay. So if anyone wants to place an order for a Edo Benin soup, they should just go straight to your Instagram at Chow Republic and order for it. So guys, you heard her. If you need this to be delivered to you here in Lagos, all you have to do is go to her Instagram at Chow Republic and this will be delivered to you the same day. You don't have to wait for 2 hours to get this delivered to you. So you guys, thank you so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Zoke Kitchen and also on Instagram and Facebook at Zoke Kitchen. Like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay.